Welcome back to Algo Traders Program, ATP from MarketSecrets. This is episode 21 of the series, and in this episode, we are going to learn about end-to-end automated trading. End-to-end automated trading is a type of trading where entire trading process is automated. This includes everything from identifying trading opportunities to placing trades and monitoring them. End-to-end automated trading is also known as algo trading or algorithmic trading, and that's exactly what our ATP bot does. Automated trading systems use programs that follow a defined set of instructions, that is, an algorithm, to place trades. The bot is able to scan for trading opportunities across markets and generate orders and monitor trades. Automated trading system can minimize emotional trading and allow for backtesting. They can also preserve the trader's discipline even in the volatile markets. This is what almost most of the traders lack. I mean, the discipline and emotional control. They'll say, I'll break this rule just for once, and someday it ends up in wiping out their account. There's no just for this once in trading. You're not supposed to break any rules, not even for once, not even for a second. If you have a rule, you have to follow it. Otherwise, you are not fit for trading. And with algo trading, that will never happen. The algo will follow its rules no matter what. But automated end-to-end trading is a complex process that requires careful planning and execution. One careless mistake can end in disaster. With ATP, we have covered all our bases perfectly. So let's have a full overview of our end-to-end trading. Let's start with the first item, which is nothing but trading strategy. Before you start trading, you need to define your trading strategy. This includes identifying the markets that you want to trade in, type of assets you want to trade, and the risk management strategies you will use, and when and how you will enter, exit, and trial your stop loss. All of this should be coded into your trading strategy, and we have coded all of this into our ATP bot already. Next comes the choice of selecting the right software or tools. There are many different software options available for end-to-end automated trading. You need to choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. We have already talked about the ones that we are using for our ATP bot in episode 4 of this series, and that fits in perfectly with our code to do end-to-end automation. So if you want to know about the softwares or tools that we are using for this ATP program, you can look at episode 4 of this series. Next comes the data feeds. Every bot needs certain past and current data to look for the right trading opportunities. And the same is true when it comes to exiting the trade. Our algo collect any current data or past data it needs to perform its day-to-day trading automatically. And next comes the critical part, which is triggering and monitoring your trades. So there are two parts here. First is triggering your trades and then monitoring your trades till the end of the day to closure. Automated trading system can stop working when your internet or system is down. But in any case, you need to monitor your trades carefully to ensure that they are performing as expected. And for this purpose, we have a health monitoring bot. So it will monitor your trading bot and will ensure that your trading bot is functioning properly. If not, it will notify us. Also, once your bot identifies a trading opportunity, it needs to fire orders. So when it comes to your trading bot, it needs to identify the trading opportunity, and once it does, it needs to fire orders in your trading terminal. And once the orders are placed, it needs to keep a close track of those orders, and it should exit from your trades at the right time as per the rules. So it needs to monitor the trades throughout the day. So once the orders are triggered, it needs to monitor those orders till the end of the day and track it to closure, and it is done perfectly by our bot. The next item is end of day reporting and trade logs. This is critical for any trading strategy, be it a manual trading or algo trading. At the end of the day, we need to have a look at our trading summary. we need to do that in order to find out how did our trade go at the end of the day. So you need to know what your bot did for the day, and if you are to do that, you don't have to open a terminal. You can just look at the end of the trade report generated by your bot, and you can get a high level end of the day summary automatically. So this simplifies your day-to-day work. Same goes for trading logs. You just have to open your Excel sheet and you'll be able to see your trade logs. So you don't have to look for any reports from your broker or go through your emails. All you have to do is you just have to open your Excel sheet and you'll be able to find the automated trade log created by your bot. You can do a weekly analysis or monthly analysis or even a yearly analysis with this automated logs. So to put it together, starting from identifying the trading opportunity to firing orders, to monitoring the orders, to moving the stop losses or trailing stop loss, to exiting the trades, and to generate the end of the trading reports and automated trade logging and automated data collection, everything that we need to do to perform any day-to-day trading is handled by your bot automatically. There's no need for even a small amount of manual intervention on a daily basis, and that's the significant aspect of our ATP bot. And with that, we've come to end of today's episode. We have created a separate demo Telegram alert channel for everyone who is interested in Algo Traders Program. This is where our algo trades and results are published on a daily basis, and this is where we share all the updates regarding ATP. Link to the channel is available in the description section of this video. Please join if you are interested. Also, if you want to see how our bot performs on a real time during the live market, then we are providing real-time live data feed for our algo trades on a daily basis in our YouTube channel. So you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get an invitation for our live sessions. So stay tuned for this exciting journey.